This is question 1 of the year 1984. And it says sodium chloride may be obtained from brine by A, titration, B, decantation, C, distillation, D, evaporation, E, sublimation. Now already, I trust that you already know what the answer is. Okay, let's see. Yes, the correct answer is D, evaporation. Now already, using elimination, you know the answer cannot be titration because you don't have an acid and you don't have a base here. The answer cannot be decantation, it cannot be distillation. The answer cannot be sublimation because you can't have a solid giving you gas here. Now the answer is evaporation because brine is actually sodium chloride and water. So you're going to get sodium chloride by boiling off the water, by evaporating the water off to get your actual sodium chloride.